Okay, I've been asked to have a look at these questions, slightly more difficult in the sense of there's just decimal places in it. So think what we did in the last questions, okay, and we're looking at exactly the same process. We're going to move the number on the same side as the x across to the other side of the equals, and remember we're just going to change the sign. So this time it was a positive, it's now become a negative, and we're going to subtract 0.9 from 1.5. Okay, just using your column subtraction. 9 away from 5 can't do that, so I need to borrow one from the previous column. Okay, remember we're putting 10 tenths into that column, so we've now got 15 tenths. So 9 away from 15 gives me 6. 0 from 0 gives me 0. So my x would equal 0.6. Okay. If you want to have a go at the next one, pause the video and try decimals. Okay, let's have a look at the video and see how we got on. So I'm just removing that 0.9 again, move it to the other side of the equation, do the inverse, making it a subtract, making it a negative, and remember this time I'm going to take this away. Okay, now using the column subtraction is fine if the number is bigger than the number that's below it, and we can see in this case it's not. So we've got to really think what would happen in this case. So if we was at, let's think we was at positive 3 and I'm subtracting 9 from positive 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2, 1, 0, so that would be 0. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. It would go down to minus 6. Okay. The only difference on this one is they're in decimals, it's not integer values, it's not whole numbers. Okay, so if it was 0.3, okay, and I'm taking away 0.9, okay, it's going to go down to 0.6. All I've done is divided both of those values by 10. So my answer would be negative 0.6, and that's what x will equal.